This is tutorial number 33. It will cover the mirror feature. So let's start with some sketch. The top plane. Extrude it. Okay. So now let's make a hole on this plate. So let's make it through all and okay. And now let's repeat this hole with linear pattern. We have the direction, this line, number of holes 7 and distance to be 20 millimeter. Okay. So now I want to save some time, so I can mirror these holes into the other side by using the mirror tool. So that means I need a plane or a mirror that will mirror these holes into the other side. So let's find a plane, so we can insert a plane in the middle of this plate to be parallel to this plane. So let's insert a reference plane. Let's flip direction. So we have almost a plane in the middle of this plate. So let's press OK. And now let's activate the mirror tool. And we have the plane which are going to be the mirror already selected. And the features to mirror will be the pattern here. So as we see, SolidWorks reflected these holes into the other side. I can press OK. So it is a saving time tool. So after this tutorial about the mirror feature, we already covered the all tools in the feature toolbar, and it will be the last tutorial in this topic, and I'm going to prepare another set of tutorials covering the sketch functions and tools, and later on will be a set of tutorials on e-drawing, and all these tutorials are for the beginner user, and later on will be more advanced tutorials. So thank you for watching, and see you in the other tutorial.